Hello, in this video I will show you how to change alarm sound on REALME C17. So you have to start with opening your clock application, and now on this device you have to change ringtones individually for every alarm. So you have to choose for this one, for example, and here you have a ringtone option. Now you have to click allow. And now you can select from this list of ringtones and then click back, and your ringtone has been changed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.